significant improvement to our home. To be able to pull out of my driveway without having to make 45 lefts and rights to avoid the worst of the potholes. My name is Seth. I'm an attorney. I did a little bit of research looking at, best of Westchester, and I came upon Limitless Golden. When I called Limitless Golden, I talked directly to Christian, who immediately came out and introduced himself, made it very clear that he was the owner, but also that he would be very active literally at the job site. And that gave me a bit of comfort. We've been trying to pave our shared driveway for the last 15 years. What we were looking to accomplish was have a good job well done, but also make sure that all of our neighbors were both financially but also otherwise invested in making this happen to increase the value of our homes and increase the aesthetic and avoid potholes. When they built this house, they never considered this a road that they needed to pave. So throughout the years, we'd spend various efforts, time and money in trying to keep it up. But the weather and just use created various really terrible potholes and erosion to the point where every time it snowed, I would be in a panic because I knew I'd have to have it plowed. And whenever it was plowed, it would further erode and damage the road. So we always put off on actually properly paving it because it was such a big endeavor and an expensive one. But when we were able to put it all together with our neighbors to do it with the right provider, with Christian and his crew, we were really thrilled to get that done. I'm still very excited about it. Can't say enough good things. The professionalism, attention to detail, personal service, constant communication, both from Christian and his crew, and even just letting us know the night before, hey, we're coming out 7:45, be ready for us, and just constant checking in to make sure we were happy with the work. It's really just been beyond expectations, and we couldn't be happier with the product and the way they operated. Looking to see lots of kids riding their bikes on it, including my own as well as our neighbors, to not have to panic when it snows and we get it plowed, to be able to pull out of my driveway without having to make 45 lefts and rights to avoid the worst of the potholes, and really just enjoy what is aesthetically and functionally a significant improvement to our home.